we go. Sean, little guy. Another little guy here. He's fighting. Scrappy fighter. There we go. Not too bad. First cast at this spot. A little better. Good little perch. Yeah. Another little perch. Tiny guy. Yeah, a little better than before. Oh, careful. Nothing to write home about. Alright, that's not bad. 2 fish and 2 casts. I'll take that. This one feels a little better. Alright. I wonder how long you are, though. 9 inches. Now, I think that was 3 fish and 3 casts. Can you continue this trend? Another 9-inch. Oh, this is a little better one. Well, this looks like a female about to spawn. She's quite a chunk. Hook out, and then we'll get a good look at you. Well, let's let her do her thing. Holy crap. That is a giant striper. Dang. The size of my foot. I bet that thing was 4 foot long. Feels a little nicer. That's a nice perch. It's got to be 10 inches. Okay. You'll keep. All right, one more. See what we got here. This one doesn't feel too bad. Good. Okay. There's more. Man, you are toast, pretty much, guy. So I still need to bleed these guys, so cut their gills and let them soak for a few minutes while I just take a few last casts at this spot, which seems to work well. Water seems a little deeper. I pick up a little less weed. Okay, this feels a little nicer. Don't come off, please. Good. We'll keep. Okay. Stay on. This is a nice one. Good. That came not too far out there. There we go. Feels good, but not so good. Okay. Alright, seriously, last cast. Crazy carp. Tiny perch. Alright, that's a good way to end it. Alright, that's not a bad stringer, I don't think. White perch. I don't know how many of these things I caught today, maybe 30? 35 maybe?